how to create a drop-down list and apply conditional formatting in Excel like this. Let's do it in Excel. Here we have an attendance sheet, and I want to simply choose letters from a drop-down list that will represent the attendance status. Of course, there should be color coding so we can quickly identify the status of attendance. The first thing we'll do is create a drop-down list. To do that, select the entire range where we want to add the drop-down. Go to the Data tab, then click Data Validation. In Settings, under Allow, choose List. In the source field, type the attendance codes you want. For me, it's P for present, A for absent, and HD for half day. When entering the data source, make sure there are no spaces and ensure that each code is separated by a comma. After that, don't forget to click OK to apply. Now we have a drop-down list. Next, let's add color coding using conditional formatting. Highlight again the range where we want to apply formatting. Go to the Home tab, then Conditional Formatting, choose Highlight Cells Rules, and select Equal to. In the Format Cells box, type the letter P. As you can see, the letter P now has a color. To change that, just click the drop-down arrow and choose Custom Format. In the Fill tab, you can select different colors here. If you want two colors, just click Fill Effects. You'll see Color 1 and Color 2. Simply choose the colors you want to apply. For shading style, you can also select the style you prefer. Once you've chosen, click OK. In the Font tab, I'll make the font bold and set the font color to white. Once done, click OK. As you can see, the format we set has now been applied. Click OK to finalize the formatting. Let's test it on other cells. Next, we'll set formatting for A and HD. Highlight the range again. Go to Conditional Formatting, but this time, instead of choosing Highlight Cells Rules, select Manage Rules. Here, you'll see the first rule we created. Click the rule, then click Duplicate Rule 2 times since we still need 2 more rules. Next, make sure one of the duplicated rules is selected, then click Edit Rule and replace P with A. Then, go to Format Cells. In the Font tab, leave it as is. In the Fill tab, choose Fill Effects again and select the colors you want. Once done, click OK, OK, then OK again, and finally Apply to apply the rule. Now the letter A has been formatted. Next, click the other rule we duplicated earlier. Go to Edit Rule and replace P with HD. Then repeat the same process. Click OK, and now we have attendance monitoring with a drop-down list and color coding. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tutorials.